Hello sugar makers. In this quick video, I want to give you a quick demonstration of the SapSpy web app. This web app can be accessed from any mobile device, Apple or iPhones, Androids, maybe a tablet you have at home, or even a PC. Just open your web browser. The first thing you'll do is go to mapleIoTsolutions.com. From here, if it's the first time here, you can click the Sign Up Now button. Since I already have an account, I'll just log in using my email address and password. The first page you'll come to is what was referred to as the dashboard. Here you'll see the last 3 readings of both temperature, tank level, and vacuum. If the device is powered, it'll take these readings every 5 minutes. If the device is not powered, it'll still take these readings every 5 minutes, but then report that information to the cloud and to this web app every 20 minutes. So from here, you'll see the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, the tank level in percent full, along with the vacuum in 0 to 29 inches. The best place to go as well is the plot data, where you can see this data plotted over time. You can plot that vacuum, the tank level, and the temperature over time. So for temperature, you can just drag your finger left and right on the screen, and you can maybe see what the low was last night and how cold it got in the woods. For tank level, something handy here is you can see how fast is that tank filling by seeing the rate of change of that tank level. And for vacuum, you'll know if you have variability in your vacuum by having those readings every 5 minutes over, and just drag your finger left and right to see those readings at any point in time. And by default, it's the last 12 hours, but you can change that to be the last 1 hour or even up to 2 weeks. To go back to the dashboard, I just click the dashboard button on the upper left. The next key page to go to is device settings. Under device settings, you can first of all give your device a nickname. Maybe it's the back 40 or the sugar bush. Whatever you call your the woods that the device is located in. You can also see what the battery charge is, what the battery state is it charging, is it discharging, along with the signal strength of your woods. For under device control, this is where you can, if the device is powered, the device will then stay awake, and you can take these readings to it, or ask it to take readings anytime you want. For example, I can read the temperature, read the vacuum, or read the tank level, really anytime I want, even outside of that 5-minute interval. I can also see, is the device powered? Knowing the device is powered or not helps you if you have a generator. Maybe that generator ran out of gas. The device recognizes that and can immediately send you a text alert. The reading the vitals will update the battery charge, the battery state, and the signal strength. And then take your readings. We'll read the temperature, read the vacuum, and read the tank level, and then store that information to the database. The next section here is alert settings. So here you can insert your phone number, and really up to 3 different phone numbers can be inserted here to send you a text alert upon that any of the conditions. So if maybe it's yourself and a friend of yours, maybe a neighbor, they can also be alerted to any of the conditions. The text alerts can be sent either in loss of power, and I can turn that on and off. Vacuum, basically a loss of vacuum. And in this case, if the vacuum falls under 20 inches, then it'll send you a text alert. In this case, or a tank level alert, I can set this to whatever I want just by dragging that slider left and right. So I can set it to 80%, let's say. So now I'll receive a text alert as soon as my tank level sensor detects the tank is above 80%. This final area is to calibrate the sonar sensor. So if the sonar sensor knows how far away that liquid is, you should mount that sensor, ideally 10 inches or more away. So we can set that, let's say, to 10 inches. And then by setting that distance, it knows what means a full tank. And likewise, for distance to empty, just calibrate how far away is an empty tank. That'll give you the proper scale for 0 to 100%. Then we can simply save those settings. and then those are saved for this specific device. Heading back to the dashboard, the next page you can come to is to claim your device. So here I'll just click the Claim a Device button. Every device has a serial number on it and a QR code. You can either type that serial number in, give it a nickname, hit claim, or you can also click the scan button, and I'll just fill the serial number in for you. The next, I'll just give you a quick demonstration of that alert setting. So what you won't be able to see is me on the, I'm going to put an object close to the sonar sensor, so that device is going to thinks it's full, and then I'm going to just take a reading on demand. Normally this will naturally happen because it's taking readings every 5 minutes, but just for this demonstration, I'm going to just manually force that taking readings. So here it took the tank level reading, the vacuum reading, and the temperature reading, sent that to the cloud, and then immediately noticed that tank was full, so it sent me that text alert. And that is a quick demonstration of the SapSpy web app. Just visit sapspy.com today for more information.